Welcome to MOTORVAULT Vehicles for Enthusiasts. I'm Josh and we've got a 1954 Chevy 3100 pickup. In the 1950s, America was booming. They were turning out cars and they were turning out new houses left and right. They had just won or was on the winning side of World War II. And they put a lot of effort into their new vehicles, all of the manufacturers. Chevrolet in particular, with this gorgeous looking behemoth of a truck. Big American iron was what the 1950s were all about it. This one takes the cake. Red over black with wood in the back. I absolutely love it. And let's take a better look at this one. This was the time point that trucks really had style. They had the chrome. They had just the right amount of curves to them. They were very utilitarian, but man, did they do the job. This one has the 235 cubic inch 6-cylinder, which Chevrolet used that straight 6 for a very long time. This one has been fully restored and beautifully restored about 10 years ago in the red over black. And I love every bit about this one. The wood deck is beautifully redone, and let's take a better look at that. Resurrecting and restoring American classic cars has been really a staple of the car community and culture for a very long time. This one was very well done. It's very drivable, very ready to go. But man, this wood deck is absolutely beautiful. The lines in the center, everything looks so great on this. They did a knockout job. And this is really a showable and drivable vehicle. I mean, these 6 cylinders are very usable, very user-friendly. And man, when you pull up to a show in something like this, you are going to get eyeballs for days. Under the hood, you've got that correct original 235 straight 6, right about 100 horsepower. They called this one the Thrift Master, which was really fun because back in the day, all the car companies had unique names for their paints, for their interior colors, for their engines, transmissions. They were really fun back in the day, and the Thrift Master was one of them. So the interesting bit is that these engines, the 235 straight 6, they redesigned this a little bit and they shoved this in the very first Corvettes in 1953 and 1954. They just had about an extra 50 horsepower more, and the car was a lot lighter than this. So it made a difference. It obviously wasn't a V8, but this has a lot of Corvette heritage to it, which is pretty cool. Something about being in a classic 1950s American vehicle is they are simple. There is not much extra going on. You definitely don't have all the electronic bits that the new cars have, but you got your speedo, you got your miles, you got your gas, oil, amps, temp, got everything you need. One thing with these is most of these were originally a 3 on the tree. This one, however, is a 4 on the floor. First gear being a granny gear, because this was originally believed to be a farm vehicle. So if you're just creeping around the farm and you're hauling stuff in the back and you're not really going too fast, you just want to do that to get up and down the hills and haul stuff around. So the originality of this is really nice because it was restored to how this pretty much left the factory, and it really wasn't modified. And I personally love that, and it speaks to the heritage of this vehicle in 1950s Americana. That's fun. You can really feel the granny gear in this. I mean, you're only needing to do about 5-7 miles an hour and then you're good to go to shift to second. Feels great on the road, drives really well. I like how it feels. Accelerating nice and smooth. It's got that great 1950s sound. Yeah, that's fun. I love these. They all have just a little bit of a tick to them. There we go. There she goes. As soon as you get into third, you can pretty much just cruise at 30, 40 miles an hour, no problem. Oh, there is some serious charm with this, man. I absolutely love this. Yeah, this is special. Tooling around this in a parade or going to Cars and Coffee. Yeah, sign me up, please. There we go. She's getting up and going. Let's get fourth. There she is. She's a cruiser, baby. Overall, thank you. See, wherever you go, this thing will give you a thumbs up. It is very special, very cool. I love the driving experience of this. Very unique. Yeah, it's a fun place to be. There's one word that perfectly describes this truck, and it's charming. The colors, the classic 1950s design, the simplicity, the white wall tires, the wood bed, that red over black two-tone. What's not to like about this? It has just got every bit of eyeball that you want for a truck. She's ready to go. She's available at MOTORVAULT. Check out more on our website, on our YouTube. Give us a like, a subscribe. Tell us what you guys want to see, and tell us what you guys think of this awesome piece of American big iron.